Warning, if you pull fire alarms for fun, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested. And if it's at school, you will get suspended and expelled from school. You will get grounded by your parents. And if it's at work, you will get fired from your job. And you will be responsible for someone's death somewhere else. Fire alarms are not toys. They are very serious devices that save people's lives because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. So these things are never ever something to mess with. They are only for emergencies. If it's your own alarm, then you can play with it, but if it's an alarm in a public building, you can't. It is against the law. It is against the law to pull fire alarms for fun and to tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. So never pull fire alarms for fun. Never tamper with fire alarm equipment in public buildings, or else you will get into serious trouble. Bye.